We're not selling to trees or rocks or to anything else. You sell to people.
It doesn't matter if you're in a product or service-based business. Your customers are your lifeline.
Customer service is crucial to the entrepreneur.
The customer is our boss.
Your customers are everything.
It's all about finding customers and delighting them with how you treat them.
Customers are your key, one of very key ingredients to success.
Building a customer care philosophy before you launch is really important.
It is what differentiates every product, every Me Too, like-minded product that's out there.
I want every customer to get off that flight saying, "Wow, that was a perfect flight. That was probably the best flight I ever had."
Without your customers, the best engineering, the best product, the best financing, the best cash flow it doesn't matter.
Appropriate systems to provide good service.
So we created a system that perpetuated the service. I say the service is in the system.
We created a guarantee to service the customers that is unheard of in the industry.
I had a rapport with all the customers.
It may be your only distinguishing factor.
Customer service is one opportunity that we have to be better than all of our competitors.
You know, everybody that works for me has got a pretty elevated level of customer service. We're very customer-centric.
You don't want to have 10 different clients and one has a drastically different experience than another client.
And it's just as simple as, you know, letting somebody know that you know they're there.
If somebody doesn't like our product, we dig until we figure out what it is exactly about the product. We offer enough things that they're going to find something that makes them happy.
I think with any business, it's so important to translate your passion and your excitement and your tenacity for that business into providing great customer service.
The consistency is what's critical.
We have an average of 5 touch points with our customers every time they fly. And I want them to be perfect, 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 perfect. That's what we have to do.
That every customer feels that they are known, that they are not just somebody in line. They are really recognized and remembered.
You need to make sure your people are taken care of first.
And that's our overriding goal. We want to make people happy.
They will then take care of the customers.